Customcat POD Store Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get print-on-demand services wrong. They think setting up a store is complicated and expensive. The surprising truth about Customcat is how accessible and scalable it is, and you won't believe how quickly you can start selling custom products online. Here's how it works. Customcat is a POD platform that allows creators to design and sell apparel, accessories, and home goods without holding inventory. You upload your designs, choose products, and connect your store to marketplaces like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce. When a customer orders, Customcat handles production, packaging, and shipping. For example, someone wanting to sell custom t-shirts for a niche audience can design their products in the app, set competitive prices, and launch a store within a few hours. Most people get this wrong. They assume large upfront costs, but you only pay for products when orders are made. Additional features include a large catalog of customizable items, bulk printing discounts, and branding options like custom labels and packing slips. Customcat also offers integrations with fulfillment tools and marketing platforms to streamline your operations. However, there are considerations. Product quality can vary slightly between items, and shipping times depend on location. Most people assume POD is instant. It's convenient, but careful attention to design quality and shipping policies is key. In conclusion, Customcat is ideal for creators and small business owners looking to launch a POD store without inventory headaches. Its ease of use, product variety, and integration options make it a solid choice for turning designs into revenue. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of e-commerce and POD platforms.